Today is Sunday and I'm starting a new vlog. I'm wearing a very casual outfit of the day. I don't even know where I got this little heart and anchor tee from. I think it was perhaps from the fashion district in LA. And then these like denim look leggings that I got from Walmart. And my little pearl and chain earrings that I got from Walmart as well. So it's already, I think, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've made an apple pie with some apples that needed to be gotten rid of or done something with. And so that was a lot of work, and I'm pretty tired, and I'm not feeling very productive today, so I'm not sure I'm going to be doing much else. But anyway, that is what's been going on. I'm trying to make Hunan chicken for the first time ever. I just thinly cut up this chicken breast, and now I'm going to add some oil and then sear this. Next up, we're going to make a sauce out of the rice vinegar, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, sambal olik, oyster flavored sauce, chicken broth, garlic powder, and then honey. I blended everything together, whisked it together, and this is what it looks like. I went ahead and put frozen vegetables in the pan with the chicken. I'm not exactly cooking it in the sequence like they said to, but hopefully it'll turn out okay anyway. Today is Tuesday, and just to update, the Hunan chicken came out really good, but it called for 2 tablespoons of that hot sauce. I would suggest 1, unless you like things really hot and spicy, which I have issues with my stomach, so yeah, that was a little bit much. But anyway, here is tonight's outfit. I'm wearing this turban because I haven't done my hair today. These pretty shell-looking earrings that I got from Rose's a year or so ago. This top that I've had forever, and then in my new cow print skirt that is from Shein. You may be able to tell there's some stuff right here beside me. I've been making some pretty major changes here in my dressing room closet, and I may show that later this week. But yeah, I'm not really up to it today. So, but yeah, I will show you a few things that I got in the mail for Blogger Mail. So here is this really cute top with a cow print on it, and I love cows. They're like one of my favorite things because I just love looking at them in the fields. They look so happy and peaceful, and they bring me joy, so I thought that was really cute. And then you can't really see what this looks like, but this is a beautiful ruched one-shoulder dress from Thimlux. This is the same kind of thing. And then this is a black dress. I got one and reviewed it that looks like that. I got 2 of them, one in green and one in that pretty like peachy orange color like a month or so ago. And then last but not least, this really pretty shiny purple dress. So I'm going to be reviewing those in a separate video. Can I pet you? You've got diseases? Well, why are they so freakishly friendly? Or not scared? Are you a couple? Can I say hi? So we're over here at the farm today. We're gonna make a trip into the city tomorrow to do some shopping. And yeah, you can see this cornfield behind me. So I don't really have a good mirror inside to show my outfit of the day, but you can kind of see it here. I'm wearing this thrifted top and necklace, and then the skirt is from Blushmark, and I'm going to be reviewing that soon. You'll see that on my Instagram page, so you can kind of see it. It's very cute, very springy, and very summery, even though it is getting later in the year now. So yeah, today is Wednesday, and that's my only update for today. So we're almost home, and we just stopped off at a park to take a picture after our long trip to Richmond. We got all of our orders. I guess it went fairly smoothly. As smooth as it ever goes, right?
Yeah.
And
no, we were early to all of them, but didn't have to wait for any of them.
yeah, that was really nice. What was it, like an hour?
We were 2 hours early for one of them.
2 hours early at Publix or Kroger?
Publix.
Maybe Kroger. I'm not
We were
sure.
about an hour early at Kroger. We were right on time for BABC, and about 2 hours early at Publix.
So that's really nice of them to let you come early like that. I guess if they aren't too overrun with people, it's not a big deal for them or something. So that part is good. At Publix, though, we didn't know where to park, and so that was a little bit of an issue because we didn't see the signs. They had so many signs there, and then the signs for curbside pickup were in green, so we didn't really see them even though we'd walked around.
And we weren't the only ones. We saw another lady that was obviously asking where to park for a curbside pickup, and the lady was pointing on the other side of the store.
But now we know for next time, so.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're almost home now. Bunny, 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 bunny. Yeah, bunny, 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 bunny. Do you think they carry rabies? They're so cute. We're finally back home and I'm wearing this really cute cow print top. I showed this earlier and I decided to wear it today. I changed out of the skirt and top that I wore to the city and put this on. It's very cute. Like I said, I just love cows. Today is Friday and this is today's outfit of the day. Just this little green tie-dye dress, and I decided to add the turquoise to make it a little bit like have a little bit of pop of color there. And yeah, this was thrifted. The necklace, I think I got it at like some kind of a dollar store near where we used to live in Lancaster. But yeah, that's today's outfit of the day, and then the plan for the rest of the day is to get some photography done, some pictures done before we feel the effects of Tropical Storm Laura, I think it is, and it's going to probably be raining all day tomorrow, Saturday. So yeah, I want to get that done, maybe a few other things around the house. It is Saturday today, and this is today's outfit of the day. I'm wearing this thrifted skirt and this little animal print blouse that was also thrifted, as was my jewelry, these little earrings that look like little cocktail glasses with pearls on them. And actually I think this little coin necklace might have come off of something else that I got from the Dollar Tree like years ago. And then this ring was sent to me for review a few years ago. And then my headband, this black headband, was from Walmart. So yeah, that's today's outfit of the day. I said I was going to show the way this room looks. It looks different now because I have like stuffed it full of clothing racks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. The lighting is just not as good anymore because I can't very easily get to the curtains to open those up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this ring light though. It's a bit much. Let this adjust. Okay, so now as I turn this way, you can see the windows there, but I have this huge rack of coats and things, and then it also has a basket on top. I opted to get the basket up there because well, I got this back when I was still living in California, but I got that because I could store extra stuff on top, and this is like an industrial type of clothing rack. And so then you turn around here, I put this rug down over here. Here's my totally overcrowded pink bookcase, jewelry rack, a little mirror on the door right there. So yeah, in front of my nice fireplace, I now have this giant clothing rack. These two chairs that I need to reupholster or either get rid of, I'm not sure. I don't know what it is, but I keep buying these chairs that have this low back, and then when I sit on them, I find them very uncomfortable. They like hurt my back. And so there is where I usually film. That's the rolling rack in front of the pink armoire. And then yeah, put up my mannequin, and I put this new rack here. I'm going to put purses, belts, and jewelry on it. So yeah, you can see I have like handbags this side, jewelry at the top, and then I have, I'll come around here. Then I have belts here. Yeah, and then there's the other clothing rack. So yeah, as you can see, it's really cramped. I could still open the windows here though. I could probably open all of them pretty well. But yeah, I think this is gonna hold a lot of my jewelry. I'll probably take this out and paint it because it's kind of like rusty. Yeah, you can kind of see it's got rust on it there. But I think this will be really handy for getting dressed because it has all of my, all of my accessories in one place. But yeah, I do kind of hate having to walk through this labyrinth, and then this is pretty tight. But yeah, this one rack here is all coats and jackets. That's just so insane. And then everything that's in this room is probably maybe half of the clothing and accessories that I own, because we have a box truck that has a lot of stuff on it that I took out of the house while I was painting and doing stuff like that. And then I also still have a lot of stuff in the upstairs room that I was using as my closet. So this rack is supposed to be all dresses. This one's just got a bunch of random stuff on it. But behind that, the pink armoire, that's supposed to be pants. This one's supposed to be all skirts. And then in here, this one is the double rack that is all sweaters and shirts. And then I haven't finished this room yet, but there's a little here, dresses and like evening dresses. That's what I want to put in here, is like all evening dresses, because it's more protected in a way, even though we have the washer and dryer in here. But yeah, and then from this view you can see it is really cramped in here. So yeah, my nice big room that I had so much room in is now basically gone. And you hadn't really seen this view from here, but this is kind of my little selfie video station and selfie station. So this is this huge mirror that I got from, I think, Habitat for Humanity Restore. And it's got like that little dark mark right there. You can see a few little discolorations on the mirror, but it was like $10 and it was such a good deal. I don't really want to like go out and buy another one just yet. So, because it works great and all that. But yeah, the lighting, like I said, is just not as good now. As you can see, the window's just not as open. But anyway, yeah, I like my little carpet here. So it works out pretty well. At least I have one somewhat clear area, even though it looks pretty junky behind me. Pretty cluttered and stuff like that. So, I guess I will end the vlog for this week here and hopefully start back up again tomorrow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.